Welcome back to Bam Gaming. We have Stellar Gaming over here,
What's up, guys?
and we went out and bought these trucks here. I bought a Tundra. He bought a K20.
Yeah, K20.
Okay, what's going on back here?
Segregation.
Okay, yeah. So
Mhm.
yours looks like it's a show truck.
Yeah, short truck daily driver.
Yeah, I think mine's more of just a. I don't even know. Um, Up here we have you're driving a OB, not a 7. It's a 7.3, right?
Yeah, it's us. It's a 75 swap into with a 7.3 inside of it.
Um,
1970, 1975.
I'm driving a 2018 Limited 6.7. But yeah, so what are we, what's the plan for today? I don't even know where you are anymore.
I'm in my truck.
What's the plan for today?
I don't know. Just thinking of driving around.
Okay. Alright, I'll follow you.
Well, I'm gonna go up to my house and drop my
Alright,
truck and get it off.
I'll probably do that too. Makes sense. That didn't happen. No one saw that. Oh boy. Oh boy. Two-wheel in the trailer. A little sketchy. My big old American flag pole.
America.
America. Yeah. Alright. So what unit are you bringing out today?
Driving the K20 around.
Okay, so you're bringing the K20?
Yeah, I'm bringing the K20.
Alright, I'll bring the Toyota. Oh, is your K20 diesel?
Yeah, she's diesel.
I guess I come in swapped because, Toyota has yet to come out with that diesel engine they've been talking about. Alright. Woohoo. I probably should be following. What's the speed limit again?
25 on the back roads.
25? Who the hell's trying to go 25 back here?
Don't know.
There's no cops. I can go a little bit faster.
No cop, no stop.
Exactly. What's the highway speed?
50, maybe.
50?
Yeah, yeah, 50.
What is wrong with this place? Weird ass speed limits. Yeah, 50 mile an hour. I'm doing 50 on the back roads.
Yeah,
Alright, so shall we go cruise?
yeah.
I'll follow you. Just in case I gotta tow you back home.
Nah, she's dirty.
I swear if you follow the speed limits.
Oh,
This car actually turns good.
that went 70.
Yeah. downhill. Ooh. Should we go grab some tea
Yeah, I'm gonna go grab some tea.
from your mum? Mother, I'm home. Hi,
It's
bro.
not my mom.
Huh?
Not your mom. It's my mom.
Uh, pretty much the same thing.
Sitting right on the counter.
My truck's not even in the garage. Is your dad out here?
Yeah. Or at least she said he was out here, but I don't see him. He's probably out. Probably cruising around.
Going on a Sunday cruise
Yeah.
without the wife.
Yeah.
Hopefully she don't find out. Don't want to be him.
Yeah. Well, that won't be good.
It's a Cummins. You don't have to let it warm up.
Just don't look behind you.
Semi-realistic, I guess. It does not stop. Okay, I was not ready for that.
Huh?
I was not ready for you to make that 90-degree corner.
I wasn't trying to do that.
You just went with it.
Yeah.
Mm, perfect.
Let me just sneak right. Yep, totally sneak right by.
Oh, low gear roll.
No, that wasn't low gear. Yep, just don't mind the coal.
All the diesels. So, oh, that's all. That's something he does. He makes weird noises. Not really weird, but he makes noises. Ooh.
A little bit fast.
Uh-oh. Well,
What'd you
I
do?
totaled the Tundra. You should come. We should come look. I totaled the Tundra.
Oh, neat.
I'm wedged. She done.
I don't know if I can get you.
Oh, got the truck out. We're good now. It's a little stuck. Oh yeah, it sounds like a great idea. Let's go take SEMA trucks off roading.
I'm not a SEMA truck.
Let's go take show trucks off roading.
Just testing out the flexing ability. Oh, but yeah,
The bumper off.
but we are going off roading.
Cool. All right. Well, just cruising. There's no speed limits on the trails. What are you doing?
Try not to hit a tree.
Ooh, Oh, well, I smoked that tree.
I almost smoked a tree. Where you going?
Rock crawling. Flex testing the shoal truck.
No problemo.
Sure about that?
Yeah, I'm in rear-wheel drive right now.
No, I probably can put it in there without oh, not tall enough for that. Yeah, rear-wheel drive. Beauty.
There, wait, let me see. Pop it up.
You're steering rear-wheel drive.
Yeah.
Oh no, no. Oh, my truck wants to go down the bridge.
Normally, I'm the one who wants to go down the bridge.
Normally,
Try not to scratch new paint.
this truck's actually pretty good. No, I just floored it. Oh, that's a drop. I just floored it. In it to win it, baby. I think
I'm really winning it.
I think you scratched it.
Nah, it'll buff.
It'll buff.
Mm-hmm.
How stiff is that truck?
Why?
Just wondering, because he looks pretty stiff.
It is pretty stiff. Probably more stiffness than it should be.
Well, I think we're going a little faster than we should be, anyways.
This isn't a road.
Yeah, I don't even feel those. Hey, it's my mom's house. Or my parents' house, rather. Is there any truck hidden back there now?
No.
Oh, don't cut me off. Thank you. Oh, I was crashing to a guardrail. Do you want to do some hide and seek?
Why not?
Oh, I saw that.
No, you didn't.
And how you did not roll that, it was impressive. Well, the old off-road outlaws actually had roll physics. Alright,
Well,
so who's going first?
you go first. You
No,
hide first.
you're just,
I'll go to the gas station.
well, you're mobbing it down a creek right now.
Yeah, I am, but I'm like right at the gas station.
Wait, how'd you get there?
Got through the creek.
Okay. Alright, well, back in work in the hiding spot. What you doing? Oh, you're still at the gas station. Did you just crash into the wall?
No, I'm going over the wall. The barrier.
Why?
Because flex test.
Well, you're gonna come get me or what?
Oh, I didn't know you were ready yet.
I told you I was ready.
Yeah, I'll come find you.
I'm watching you, so. You seriously think I would hide that close to you?
We're in the fire department.
Nice job.
I'm in reverse right now.
Um,
Turn it around. Oh!
I'm watching you. I can see. It looks like you're off road right now because there's no road there. It's just like now there's a road. Now you're off the road.
Don't think you'd be hiding at your parents' house. Nor my house.
And now you're back on. Maybe I'm in my house.
Huh?
Maybe I'm at my house
No.
or Jim's house. Jim.
Papa Jim. I can already tell you're not underneath the dock at Jim's house.
I hit under the dock. I hit my car under the dock. I've never hit under a dock. Don't do that.
Oh, you're fixing your car up.
Didn't fall off the lift,
It's sideways on the lift.
like hanging off.
Yeah.
That's how I parked it. Two tires on the lift. And you know I like to walk, so
Yeah, you like to walk. Oh, you want to know what's awesome?
Hmm.
I might have just got stuck under a lift. Oh, never mind, I'm out. I almost got stuck under a lift with my truck. Sail the Captain Morgan. You know what? Screw it. I might as well check in here. There's no good caves over here. Don't see in the water yet. Oh man. Pina coladas. Oh, hello there down there, Buck.
what's up?
If I didn't jump in with my truck and I didn't have my lights on, I wouldn't have seen you. My lights illuminated the water.
Of course. Why do you have your lights on? Of course. Of course you have your lights on. Whoa. Hello. Yes, I get it. You're faster in reverse than I am walking.
No, I'm showing you how good I am at driving in reverse.
Mm-hmm. Nice. Is you back into a rock?
I didn't do that.
I could call you Tomater.
Yeah. But I'm not in a GM. Wait, what is his? What is Telmater? A GMC or a Ford?
I think it's. I think it's like a Chevy or something like that.
Womp 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 womp. Sending it. You know, I really love to walk.
Mm-hmm. You knocked my truck off the lift. Is that the entire reason you were in here for so long?
Yeah,
I think it's
that's
stuck.
that's why I said I got stuck in the. I think I got stuck in the lift because I was trying to get your truck off of the front of my truck.
My truck was stuck for a second.
Going to
Flex. Decent. That's a small flex rock, though. Still find something bigger.
Huh?
You alright, bud?
Yeah. I was just sharp pain in my chest.
You know what that's called?
Huh?
Heartburn.
Yeah. When you have nausea, heartburn, indigestion, upset stomach, diarrhea. Oh yeah, Pepto Bismol.
Bismol.
Pepto Bismol.
It's Bismol, but okay.
Pepto Bismol.
Okay. Wait, are you close to your truck?
Yeah.
Okay. I was gonna see how fast I was going, but
No, you're not gonna see how fast you're going.
yeah, I don't wanna, you know, I gotta fix my truck quick. $61. You almost ready, bud?
Almost.
That's the stop sign. The stop sign did its job very well.
Yeah, it stopped you.
Mm-hmm. So did that house.
Huh?
Oh my god. There's a camera view and a notification. Oh, that's to turn my name over cars off. I'm just not even gonna worry about the notifications anymore. They'll just pop up. It's fine. You done yet?
Yeah, I'm done.
You close to your truck? Because you don't like to walk.
No, I'm not close to my truck.
Are you close or not close?
No, I'm not close.
What? Stuck. We're zooming. Doing 72. I guess who you fuck with the speed limit? Ow. Why do I have a feeling this truck is in its natural habitat?
It is in the
It
junkyard.
is. It's its natural habitat.
Yeah,
Like,
yeah.
belong. Piece of junk. Okay, I found the truck. My question is, how far did you walk?
You know me.
You don't like walking.
Takes too long.
Oh, hold on, that's a right side get out. It's a right side get
Yeah, you can't. It just letting you know. It puts you through the gate on the other side
out.
because the gate's skinny.
I don't think you're in the junkyard.
No.
Are you trying to get onto the tractor again?
No. The tractor? Maybe.
But there's a lot of freaking tractors in this map.
Like tractors.
Huh?
I like tractors.
I know you like tractors. Tractors are so dumb. I like tractors. I know there's a logging stuff back here.
Ugh. This is gonna be fun.
It's gonna be fun.
Mm-hmm.
My truck climbs pretty good. Just climbing on top of all the logs. I'm not even really looking for you right now. I'm just having fun climbing on top of the logs. 'Cause I don't even think you're over here.
Nice.
Gotta fix lanes. Alright, yeah, I know you like tractors, but I don't think you're over here.
With the tractors. I really, really like tractors.
I know you like tractors.
Yeah. I love tractors. Oh.
Screw it. I'm driving to the water. Oh, we're at 27 minutes. I don't think they want to watch a half-hour long video.
Did you pause it?
No, it's going right now. I think we're just gonna find you now, and then we're gonna throw it onto a part 2, or go do something different. Or something like that.
I'd say a part 2 would be fun.
Yeah, that's what we'll do.
Yeah. Part
Oh,
2 sounds
oh yeah, the rules. No wall, no
yeah.
like that.
No wall. Oh. Yeah. All I can think of right now is
Alright, now let's see if there's a monkey in its natural habitat. 'Cause I found a Chevy in a natural habitat. See if I can find a monkey in its natural habitat. No monkey.
Then Morgan. You really think I walked that far?
Yeah,
That's wrong, bud.
I put faith in you.
What that you think I can walk for?
Mm-hmm.
No, you might be wrong with.
Oh, you're
Well,
talking about I didn't walk that far.
I didn't walk that far. I didn't walk over there.
Hop on down. I'll bring you over.
Oh. Oh.
Oh no, the monkey.
Oh.
No,
Oh.
you
God.
can't get into my truck from down there. Alright, so, come here. So, that was, part 1. So we're gonna make a part 2 of it? Or we're gonna go do something different?
I'd say part 2.
Okay, here's part 1. See y'all in part 2.